Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale a house that was completed in 2024. This newly built, delightful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house is a must-see. It sits on approximately 7,000 square feet. The house has a open concept design with a big yard space for addition. It also boasts the benefit of extra windows that allows a greater flow of breeze throughout and brilliant natural lighting. Located in St. Catherine at a prime location within driving distance to shops, restaurants, parks, and public transportation. This house offers the perfect start on your journey of owning a home. Call and set your viewing appointment today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 34 million or US $220,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.